Now that your father's passed, why not just take over the family business, they said. That would be a great idea. After all, when life hands you lemons, you're supposed to make
lemonade!
I'm sorry, what?
I didn't know there was a lemonade truck here.
Well, there wasn't until now.
How much?
$1.50 for a medium, $2 for a large.
That's nothing.
What? Wait, you think I should charge more?
I mean, it's your business.
Well, it was my dad's. He's gone now, though.
Abducted?
Huh?
By aliens. That's why I'm here. I'm studying the writings of Bob Lazar. He's got a new book out. It's called Dreamland. It's autobiographical at a bookstore near you. I'm learning all kinds of great shit from it.
What does that have to do with my dad?
You said he was gone, right?
Yeah, as in died.
Did you see a body? Was there a casket?
Huh. Wait, look. All I know is that he left a note saying he was flying south for the winter. And then later, my mom told me he died.
They sound unrelated. The note and your mother's message. But then again, everything is related somehow.
What do you mean?
Everything connects. Like me being here, your father being abducted. Bob Lazar's new book, Dreamland. Get it at a bookstore near you.
But my father wasn't abducted.
Then what about the lemons?
What about the lemons?
All the lemons your father left behind in the frozen lemonade truck. His life's work. His only means to a successful life. He just leaves it all behind.
God, now I'm starting to question everything.
You should, but before you do, I'll take one large lemonade. Please.
Here.
Holy shit, this tastes incredible for saucer fuel.
Saucer fuel.
Why, yes, young squire. That's, of course, why I'm here. I could smell the purifying scent of lemons from Broadway, sort of like gasoline poured over a freshly mowed lawn.
What the hell are you talking about?
I'm here because my father was abducted too. And the frozen lemonade has been known to be the first ingredient for alien saucer fuel.
But my father, he...
Here to retrace his steps in finding out why the aliens kidnapped him in the first place. I'm using Bob Lazar's new book, Dreamland, get it at a bookstore near you, as means to guide my path.
Do you think that actually happened to my father too?
Isn't that why you're here, questioning your circumstances, wanting to retrace your steps of how you got here, to understand the world around you, and possibly find your father, who left the entirety of his successful frozen lemonade truck business to you?
Yes. Yes.
Then, if life's handing you these lemons, you better make lemonade because it's delicious. I'm Pete, by the way.
Magpie.
I hate this!